Hello my people, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we are going to make super soft mandazis in lemon flavor, and keep it locked here. So here we begin with grating the lemon. So we just use the outer layer of the lemon, then I go ahead and beat the eggs. Here I'm using 2 eggs. For the sugar, we just have to use this tablespoon. Here I used around 6.5 tablespoons because I don't like my mandazi too sugary. For the baking powder, you just have to use the right amount. So here I just used around 2 tablespoons, and that was enough, guys, because the flour I'm using is just the 1 kg. It's not 2 kg. So you just have to use the right amount of the baking powder. So here I'm just mixing them together so that they can have that consistency. Yeah, so here I'm just adding the lemon flakes. I mix them well also. Then I add the right amount of the cooking oil. I just for the dough I'll add 2 tablespoons, and here for the flour I added around 4 tablespoons, and that was enough. Then I go ahead and add my well beaten eggs. I used 2 of them. I go ahead and mix them nicely too, and then I go in with this milk. I just used that packet of milk for this 1 kg flour. Go ahead and mix well. I went ahead and added some small amount of water. Then for the dough, I said I'll add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Whichever the way you like it. Here I added 3. Go ahead and mix them well. Mix the dough until it is soft. Then I go ahead with my clean white towel to cover the dough for it to rest for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm here again. It's now that time to start cooking the mandazis. So I go ahead and separate the duff. And when you are rolling the duff, don't roll it to be so thin, because I want my mandazis to be thick inside, so I just roll them thick, not thin. So I go ahead and cut them into my desired shapes. Hey, the lure in me. I cut them into my desired shapes. If you like them smaller, you can cut them into smaller shapes. If you like them big, you can cut them into bigger shapes. So here I'm just putting my oil into the pan so that it can heat. I reduce the heat to low so that my mandazis can't get burnt. So it is that time to start cooking them, guys. So I dipped a small duff inside so that I can check if the oil is heated properly. So it is that time to dip them in. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so that you can get to see more of my future uploads. So here my mandazis are golden brown, so it is that time to remove them, and they look yummy already. Yes, this is the second round mandazis. My son had a bad cough, but he is still in need of mandazi. You just know these little kids with mandazis, so he was just all over me asking me for mandazis. This was the last part. This was the last dove. Ain't they looking yummy? I tell you, these mandazis turned out so yummy. so yummy. I bet you to try this. Try this. They turn out so soft, yummy and fluffy. Thank you for watching, guys, and till next.